So it doesn't show on the instrument cluster the air pressure on circuit 1 and 2. So let's see if there's a broken sensor or if there are some broken wires.
Well, we can all notice that this is not the first time when someone tries to fix this issue. The air pressure sensor and the valve was replaced. They are new. So, definitely there are some broken wires. We just need to find them. Oh yes, and that's concrete. A lot of concrete.
So that's it. 4 broken wires and all the wires to the air pressure sensor. Awkward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you on the next video.